Welcome! In this video, we are going to think about making a mixture larger without changing its flavor or color. Suppose we have 4 identical containers. 1 is filled with red punch and 3 are filled with lemon lime soda. All 4 containers are poured to the same level. So our mixture is 1 container of red punch and 3 containers of lemon lime soda. This matches mixture A from the previous videos. Now, suppose you're about to mix them in a pitcher, but then you decide, I want to make a little bit more. You want this larger amount to have the exact same flavor and color. What can you do? One good answer is, add another complete set of the same ingredients. That means adding 1 more container of red punch and 3 more containers of lemon lime soda. Now, we have 2 containers of red punch and 6 containers of lemon lime soda. This would still have the same flavor and color because you added the ingredients in the same relationship. You could also make even more by adding several more complete sets. If you added 3 complete sets, then we would have 3 containers of red punch and 9 containers of lemon lime soda. 4 complete sets would give 4 containers of red punch and 12 containers of lemon lime soda. Each time, the flavor stays the same because every red punch container is matched with 3 lemon lime soda containers. Let's compare these a little more. Mixture A says 1 red soda, 1 red punch, and 3 lemon lime sodas. If we double it, we get 2 red punches and 6 lemon lime sodas. If we triple it, we would get 3 red punch and 9 lemon lime sodas. And if we quadruple it, we would have 4 red plus 12 sodas. They all have the same flavor mixture and color as mixture A. They are just larger batches. This gives us the beginning idea of a proportion. A proportion means that 2 relationships are equal. For example, 1 to 3 and 4 to 12 describe the same red punch to soda relationship. Now, let's think about what would not work. Let's suppose again that we start with 1 red punch and 3 lemon lime sodas. And then we add 2 to each. That would give us 3 red punches plus 5 lemon lime sodas. This does not keep the same relationship. You added too much red punch compared to the soda, so the flavor and coloring would change. As future teachers, this is a powerful place to focus on student thinking. Students may initially think, I added the same total amount, so it should be the same. Or I added the same of both ingredients, so it should be the same. But with ratios, we need more than some of both. We need to preserve the relationship. A helpful teacher prompt is, what would 1 complete matching batch look like? Another helpful prompt is, if you add 1 more cup of red punch, how many cups of soda need to come with it? The answer for mixture A is 3 cups of soda, because mixture A has 1 red for every 3 soda. You are doing great. Proportional reasoning is about keeping relationships the same, even when the amounts change.